welcome back to my channel or whatever. So I am 5 months pregnant and I just do not have the time to just do flat twists. Like, I am not about to twist my hair every 3 days. Like, it's just not about to happen. So I made this wig. I see why everybody be talking about UNice hair on the internet, because this hair is so bomb. It's so soft. This is actually their body wave, and I went ahead and threw some flexi rods in it last night because I wanted those spirals. I wanted it to be luscious and big, and I didn't use any heat, and it came out exactly the way that I wanted it to. It's gorgeous, and it looks better in person. But this hair is bomb. If you want to see how I made this wig and the hair that I used, go ahead and check the description bar below. So about this makeup look, it's very easy and beginner friendly. And since it's around that time of the year where our skin gets super dry, especially mine, I have combination to dry skin. And when I tell you my skin gets dry, it gets super dry. So these are the products that I gravitate to around this time of year because I know that they work for me. I've been using these products for about 3 to 4 years, so I know that they work for me, and these are my go-to. And this look is so glowy and bomb. Like, I really like it. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. Starting off with my skin smoothing primer from CoverGirl. It doesn't feel like a primer at all. It feels just like a moisturizer. I did my eyebrows off camera. I'm going in with my Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. When I wear this in the summertime, it just feels like I have on too much makeup. When I wear this in the wintertime, it feels like I don't have anything on. And I just love that it gives me the coverage that I want, and it looks and feels great. Now I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. This is the mini version that I got from my Ipsy bag. This is the only new product that I've been using, and this concealer is just so bomb. I'm blending this into my skin until I can't blend anymore. And then I take the bottom of my beauty blender and blend it into my foundation. Once that's all blended out, I'm going in with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I let this sit for a few seconds. Then I literally just pat it into my skin. I find that this works better for me, and it just gives me a flawless finish. Once that's all blended out, I'm going to add color back into my face. I'm going in with my powder blush. This is Blunt by MAC. And I'm going to just do a little bit of contouring, and I like to take this up into the crease to give my eyes some dimension. And I don't use eyeshadow every day. I just let the tiredness of my eyelids just be the color for the day. Now I'm going to bronze, and I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the color Dark 3. And to highlight, I'm going in with my Becca Cosmetics Winter Glow Face Palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight that face. I put on my lashes off camera because it takes me 7 hours to put them on. I'm going in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my bottom lashes. And now I'm lining my lips with NYX Espresso. This is my favorite lip liner for my complexion. To complete this look, I'm going in with Lip Gloss by MAC. And this is the final look. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!